Okay. A very good morning, my dear students. Of course, today is the day for our continuous study. Okay. So I would like to request you all my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the second chapter, personal health, and in our last classes we have already discussions about our personal health requirement and related things. But I would like to remember the same thing one more time within 10 minutes. Then after we'll take another new guideline over there from here. It has been written here in my screen. I'm going to tell you. I'm going to share you my screen here. Okay, this is the screen that you have been already. Uh, I have been already shared with. Are you listening the sound or not clearly? Okay.
Listening
Good.
clearly.
Okay, good. So my screen I have been already shared, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Let me tell you, personal health. That we all are living beings, and basically we are human beings, and that's because we have a little bit terms and condition, and every day we are following the same terms and condition for the requirement for the fulfill our requirement in our daily life. So it's all our actually all the activity that we are doing in a regular basis, right? All the activity that we are doing in a regular basis is our personal life, right? It's our personal life. If we are doing the personal related work for our health only, it is indicate the personal health. For example, every day we are taking rest, we are doing bathing, every day we are doing study, every day we are going to solve other work, every day we are supporting with our mom, with our dad, to support their own work, right? It's all are our personal health requirement related things. So basically, it's all are the related things that is related to the personal health. Come to the point here. It has been written here. What is called personal health? It has been written with our book in our screen that I have been already shared here. Hygiene is the branch of science. Hygiene. Basically, what is called hygiene? First, we need to discuss about what is called hygiene. It means it's a branch of science that deals with the study of healthy way of living. I would like to tell you, my dear students, we have our own lifestyle, right? And that's because everywhere we are doing different types of work, different types of services, different types of activity. It's all are the activity of our life, and that every activity is included with our personal health also. That's because we can say it's a branch of science that deals with the study of healthy way of living. Healthy way, how can we moderate our personal life in a good life? We all, excuse me please, don't talk please, thank you. Okay, how our personal life, how our health is changed in a high living standard, just like a very just like a good civilian, that you can say, just like a a good actress life, just like a Bill Gates life. What is the life of the Bill Gates? How the Bill Gates can solve their activity for their personal life? What is the timetable that Bill Gates is investing the time for their personal life? It's all are related to the branch of science that deals with the study of healthy way of living. So we can say basically hygiene is the branch of science that deals with the study of healthy way of living. How, anyhow, anyhow, how can we develop our personal health in a good condition? How can we develop our lifestyle, our family environment in a good lifestyle? It's all are included to the branch of science that deals with the study of healthy way of living. Next one is personal health is a set of practices performed by a person to live a healthy life. It consists of cleanliness and healthy habits, washing hands with soap and water, brushing teeth twice a day, sleeping on time, having rest adequately, eating meals on time, and not eating junk food, etc., are the concern of personal health. In addition, an individual should have access to safe drinking water, fresh air and breathing, taking bath regularly, trimming nails regularly, and regular exercise of for our good health. We must obey the rule of personal health. Some of the basic rules personal health are as follows. It is the requirement of the related personal health that has been screening over there in your screen also. And I would like to tell you, my dear students, it's all are the related things of our personal health. That is very, very important thing. Let me tell you one more time. It has been written here. It's a set of practice. Practice means that we are doing every day. Our daily walk. We are every in the morning time when we get up in the morning. What is the responsibility? What is the first work that we do? That type of work is all our practice performed by a person that we are doing in our daily life. It consists cleanliness and healthy habits. Cleanliness, wash your hand, wash our face. We need to regular bath, brush twice a day, etc. It's all are the related branch of science that deals with the healthy way of living. So it's all are the important matter of the personal hygiene that is adequately. That adequately means that you can say accept or satisfactory. Adequate or satisfactory. Eating meals on time and not eating junk foods. Basically, that you know already, my dear student, junk food is the very dangerous things for our life, for our health. So without any types of weaknesses, sometime maybe due to the time, maybe due to the different types of climate problem, maybe due to the different types of economic conditions, or that we can say basically when we are in the journey, sometime we are taking the junk foods too much. But let me remember you that junk food is very, very dangerous for you. How it is dangerous? Let me describe. Junk food basically in our life, in our Nepal, in our Asian countries that you know already, we are underdeveloping countries. And our underdeveloping countries has not such types of good ISO certified related foods are available in our Nepal. I'm not talking about all of the foods of the snacks item, but stationary. Sorry, it's a junk food item. But some of few of them, it's a totally that you can say it's a that type of junk food is not an ISO certified food. So that type of food, it is not required for our good health. Let me tell you, my dear students, in the pocket of chow chow there is written vitamin A 0.6%, protein 18%, carbohydrate 10%, etc. etc. But it's all are included in this food or not? Who is verify? Who is verify in this food that type of related minerals, vitamins are included or not? It's all are the matter that we need to discuss first. It's because uh, we have our we need our good health, and our responsibility is to care of our health. If the all the foods has given such types of requirement by the related printed in pocket of the chow chow, maybe that type of related vitamins, minerals, and carbohydrates is not required in these pockets. So no need to go over there because there is too much problem in our country that you know. But we are the students and we have to rights to filter the correct things. And I would like to tell you, my dear students, junk food is very dangerous if it is not certified by an ISO of Nepal or HACCP. ISO and HACCP is the organization who can certify that type of food for our citizens. That organization will totally filterize the correct information of the pocket about, like you can say, about the minerals, vitamins, carbohydrates, etc. Everything. So it's all are the basic requirements that we need to uh, know. Then after we can utilize. It's our life. We can utilize any types of food, but what type of foods is very good for our personal health that we can filter from there. Are you getting me, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you. Okay, so in our last point over here, it has been written here. It has been written here. We must obey the rule of personal health. Some of the basic rules of personal health are: we should take balanced diet. We need to clean our hair regularly. We need to trim our nails timely. We have to brush our teeth twice a day. This all are the basic requirement that we have to do in our life. The next paper we have the next paper. Okay, the next paper we have the next thing. It has been screening over there also. Okay.
Care of body.
Yes, it has been written here. We have to sleep at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Shreya, are you there? Who is, sorry. Uh, Hello, my dear student. Are you getting me or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So
Getting
the next point is, it has been written here. We have to sleep at least 6 to 8 hours a day. It is real or not?
Yes.
Why we people must sleep at least 6 to 8 hours a day? Can you describe?
because we feel fresh.
Yes, of course.
Because
Uh,
we feel fresh.
yes. After the, let me tell you, my dear friends, if we do not sleep, if we do not sleep at least 6 to 8 hours a day, our mental, that it means emotional, spiritual thinking, mental thinking, your activity, your charming of your face is not looks like a uh, looks like a gentle. Okay, so it's very important point. We have to sleep at least 6 to 8 hours a day. It's a very important thing. Sometime because of the some day, maybe because of the busyness, because of the different types of pressure of your work, pressure of your environment, your family environment, we are not taking rest. But let me remember one more thing, my dear friends. Anyhow, it means anyhow, how can we invest our 6 to 8 hours to sleep a day. It is an important point that we need to discuss. Okay, the next one is do regular exercise in the morning. Do regular exercise in the morning. How many students are doing the regular exercise in the morning? Hello, my dear student. Are you doing exercise in the morning or not?
Yes, sir.
Not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me tell you, my dear student. Regular exercise, it means no need to do hard work. No need to run very fastly. We can do our regular exercise anytime. That time you can manage for your exercise. You can play cricket, you can play different types of kabaddi game, you can play basketball, you can play different types of related mind games, chess, table tennis, that you can play for the regular exercise. Normal exercise is also a type of a regular exercise that we can do for our good health. Next one is drink at least 2 to 3 liter water every day. 2 to 3 liter water every day. Are you taking 2 or 3 liter water every day or not?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Good.
Sir, taking.
Yes. Let me tell you, my dear friend, 2 to 3 liter water is required for our health. It is an important part of our body, that more than 70%. Let me tell you, my dear student, one more time. More than 70% weight of our body is recovered by the water. That's because our blood circulation, our mental activity, our every organs of the body is reconnecting the cell,
Water.
or every types of related work is going very clearly is because of the water. Our blood circulation is running very clearly, very right of the way, that you can say right path of the way. The blood circulation is running in a right path of the way, then we can feel comfortable, we can feel very sharpner, sharpness, we can feel very flexible than the other environment. So it is the requirement that we need to take every day 2 to 3 liter water every day. Next one is take bath regularly with soap and clean water. It is also important point. Next one is we need to wash our hands with soap and clean water before and after meal and each time we go to bathroom. Now these days, that already, we are our country, not our country, all over the world, the COVID-19 is uh, giving us too much problem. That's because our life is going to disturbance every day, everywhere, right? And
Yes,
what
sir.
is the what is the main important points against the COVID-19? Of course, wash your hands with soap and clean water, right? This is the important matter that we need to do as for the regular basis when we are touching the hard cash from the ATM, when we are touching the different types of things, materials. Then before we go to house, before we utilize our personal belonging materials, things like towel, your dot pen, your handkerchief, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, we better to clean our hands. We better to clean our hands with soap, and we can utilize also the sanitizer if you have. If you can arrange the sanitizer instead of water, you can utilize the sanitizer also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the next one is the care of body. What is called care of body? Amrita, care of body. Can you tell me what is called care of body? Ah, Amrita, can you tell me? Ruby,
Sir,
can you tell me what is called care of body?
our health is dependent by various factors.
Yes, of course. Let me tell you, my dear students, we have God gifted, right? Our parents will invest their money, their time, their everything for their kids, of course for us. Why? Because all those parents, all all the parents, they need a very healthy baby, a very healthy, mentally in good condition, healthy and strong kids for the serving of their lifestyle. It means for the support of our family, our junior brothers, sisters, or all the kids of our family must develop their every organs very clearly. So it has it is the related it is the related subject matter of the care of body. How can we do? It has been written here. Our health is determined by various factors like habits, sanitation, proper rest and sleep, regular exercise, personal lifestyle. That's because we need to follow the different measures to keep our body healthy. Some of the measures to provide care of our body are mentioned below. Let me discuss first. It has been written here, our health
What
is
is
determined by
him?
various factors. Determined, that it is required, that you can say it is the uh, purposeful or resolved, that you can say determined. We required various things for care of our body. It has been written here, our health is determined by various factors like food habits. What type of foods we are taking every day? That habits is also an important part of our life, because
Vegetable.
that already, my dear students, some few students has informed me, sir, I like too much the hygienic food. I have already told her why you like the hygienic food, why you like some type of hygienic food like chow chow, snack system. Why? Sir, it's so sour and salty. There is a very good combination of flavor. That's because we like mostly. Okay, it is not the required related things, but let me tell you, that type of food is of course very tasty than the other food, but it is not related for the good health, because it has been, I have already explained about the related food. It is maybe few of many more related snacks items or frozen sorry, snacks item. It is not required by certified by ISO. ISO certified food is better for our health. Other food is not related to the good health. So basically, snacks items or frozen items, if that type of food is ISO certified from the ISO, then we can take. Otherwise, no need to take. It's all are the basic things. So come to the point here. It has been written here, our health is determined by various factors like food habits. What type of foods that we are taking every day? Sanitations, proper rest and sleep. Proper rest and sleep, sanitation and food habits, regular exercise, personal lifestyle, etc. are called the care of body. Some of the measures to provide care to our body are mentioned below. Care of hair. How can we care of our hair? Our hair is determined by various factors like food habits, sanitation, proper rest and sleep, regular exercise, personal lifestyle. Hence, we need to follow different measures to keep our body healthy. Some of the measures to provide care to our body are mentioned below. Care of our hair. Okay. So it has been written here. Hair is the natural ornaments of a person. It is an important because it serves as a protective layer of the skin. Without
Important.
without hair, some few of people of our uh, country or in our surrounding area, that those who have no hair in the skin of the head, then what is the correct meaning, that already, right? The bald.
Right. Sir?
Bald.
No, sir.
Sir.
Bald. balt, bald.
Sir, no.
Okay, let me tell you. Bald means those who do not have hair in the head. Okay, just like our Shankar sir. Okay, I'm not doing the criticize of our Shankar sir, but I'm giving an example of the related things. Okay, so it
Sir,
is
you
known as the
have.
bald, right? It's an ornament. So here is an ornament of our body that help us to decorate
Yes,
a good
sir.
decorate a good nature of our body, right? Nature of our face. Hair can give us the good excitement looks of our face. So it is the required thing. It has been written here. It is an important because it serves and protective layer of the skin. It helps our head and scalps from extreme heat and light of the sun. Scalp extreme traps. That word is a little bit vast. That's because I would like to tell you one more time. A scalp, that you can say the skin on the top of your head, is known as the scalp area. Okay. Extreme means very great in degree. Looks like a good condition. Traps. In the traps that you can say, in the traps that you can say, that type of related every difficulties or problems are protecting with our hair, like dust particles. When we are moving in Garuda area, maybe the rumbled the dust are already moving on the air. If we do not neat and clean our hair, it means that type of related dust or rumbled is already going to dirty,
Here.
yes, of our head. So it's all are the better related to our care of our hair. My dear student, I would like to remember one more thing. We have only a few minutes, so we need to discuss this point fastly a little bit. It has been written here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it has been written here, traps dust and other particles so that they do not enter the body. Unnecessary use of harmful chemicals and dyes are harmful to our hair. Dyes. The dyes. It means the color or paint. In the salon, different types of you can say some of few of students of our school also, they are using the different types of color or paint in our uh, to decorate
In their here.
their hairstyle. So it is known as the dyes. It has been written here, unnecessary use of harmful chemicals and dyes are harmful to hair. Dirty hair provides a space of lice to breed. Lice. The lice
Sir,
is a insect that is developing in the dirty hair on our head, right? Lice.
yes,
Do
sir.
you know lice or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So it's it's a it's a type of insect that is developing in our dirty hair, and that can give us too much problem. It has been written here, lice bite on a head may invite a disease called typhus. Typhus is the name of that disease, which is, yes, occurring due to the carelessness of our hair. Healthy hair gives good personality. We should not share articles like comb, hair band, clips,
And
caps, hats, etc. with others. It means our personal belonging materials. I don't want to I don't want to share to my without any types of proper guidelines. No matter no matter you are my neighbor, no matter you are my cousin, no matter you are my relationship related personal family member, my personal belongings material only I can utilize because of the safety. So it is an important matter of our care of body, care of our hair. Okay, are you getting me, my dear students?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so my dear student,
Yes,
you
sir.
know, okay, the time is going to close very shortly. So I would like to request you, my dear students, everyone, please share the video that I will share in that I will post in my uh, in your messenger also, and you better to I when I will share my link to your messenger, please share your with your other friends also. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
and as per the basic requirements that we know, because of the business, I will not taking my class, but from today onward we are taking my class every as per the regular requirement of our schedule. Okay, so don't worry about this. Okay, so my dear friend, if you have any problem, you can ask me directly right now. We have 3 minutes more. Do you have any
No
problem?
problem. No problem.
Hello, my dear friend. Do you have any problem?
No problem, sir.
Okay, so sorry. It's time to leave now. So have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye bye,
Thank
sir.
you.
Bye
Thank
bye,
you all.
sir.
Okay, bye bye. Thank you. Thank you all.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.